Okay, so in this video, I want to show you the power of 4-hour fair value gaps and how I utilize it in my trading. Basically, it's very simple. Without wasting any time, I'm going to show you some examples to get the gist of it. And then you can do the rest research and back testing on your own and see how that works for you. So I utilize these 4-hour fair value gaps. It has helped me in my trading quite a bit, quite a lot, not just a bit, but quite a lot. And they are very powerful. They have a lot of strength. They have a lot of momentum when they are touched by the price. So if I, without wasting any time, I'm just gonna give you some examples so it's very clear. It's very simple. I just don't want to complicate it and make it sound like some kind of a rocket science. It's not. So for example, we have this for our fair value unmitigated, not being touched even a single time. um, this fair value gap is right here, and I want to show you what and how much powerful this can be. So I'm right here for our fair value gap. So if I go on to 15 minutes time frame and then wait for the price to reach to my POI, point of interest. So I'm gonna just forward my price a little bit, and here you go. You see how price reached out into this fair value gap and how it was rejected out of this fair value gap. When you have this kind of a reaction, you exactly know that this is a valid fair value gap and this can give some good profits, some good results out of this fair value gap. You can even trade this from the 15 minutes time frame. Just you have to wait because it just touched your point of interest, and then I can wait to see if the price changed the corrector, changed the state of delivery, and then I can just enter a long position. Or you can just go on to the lower time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute time frame, you can see once the price entered here, it entered with force. It entered with a fair value gap, suggesting there is momentum in the price, that sellers are looking to sell it. But once they reached inside this fair value gap, what happened is buyers were waiting for them, and then they, um, you know, had put their limit orders, whatever it was, and they pushed the price back up really aggressively. How you come to know that it is really an aggressive move? Because they have just given us a, an IFVG setup and inverse this fair value gap, and has come out of this fair value gap with some aggression, which means that there is a lot of bullish pressure now in the market. And I'm going to just enter the trade right here. If you could have entered here, you could have easily got a 1:1 or 1:2 right here. You could have trailed your stop, and I'm pretty sure you would have made some money in here. This is a perfect example. But if you would like more confirmation, or if you want or are looking to trade on a high time frame, you would wait for price to either make this inverse this fair value gap right here with some momentum, and then we can just target this high or this fair value gap, right? So I'm gonna just bring the price a little bit forward, and you can see it has inversed this fair value gap. And I am going to enter right here with 2 lots, and then put my stop loss right here, 609. Okay, and then take profit would be somewhere around here. Okay, 1:1 almost. So I'm gonna see. I'm not gonna even sometimes I would just close it right here. I would not let the price go into these rejection blocks right here. Why? I'm not greedy, and I know the risk and reward is not that great. But once the price is moving, I trail my stop, so it automatically becomes a good risk to reward trade. But at least you can keep it to 1:1, okay, or near to 1:1. So if you see how price reacts now, okay, 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 price is now pushing to the upside. Looks like it is working. So I'm gonna just push my stop loss a little bit to the upside, and it's almost 1:1. Again, let's see. Okay, okay, great. Price has just come up, and we're already in $217 of profit. And I think I will add right here because it's just making sense that this is gonna go to the take profit level. Perfect. Check this out. So $817 were made on this trade, and this is how you can utilize 4 hour fair value gaps, incorporate them in your trading, and you will see amazing results. Just wait for them. I know there is a waiting period for these things to come, but that's how you need to approach trading, and that's how you need to go with it. Sorry about that. But if you wait, you will see how good they are and how often they give you good results. And this is one of the examples. And I can go on and on and on into the historical charts and show you that how good they are. And just try to backtest it on your charts, and you will see the results yourself. I don't need to go further into detailing each and everything. You are, you can do it yourself. You can check it out yourself. You can backtest. You can see the results. At least 80 to 90% of the times, you will have um, profits. You will see positive results from these trades when you trade it out of fair value gaps from the 4 hour time frame. Okay, that's it for now. I will just shut up now. You take care. Bye.